problem is like villages, nearby villages have given a problem like they're going to construct a small building, community hall that is of dimension 10 meter by 16 meter dimension. Okay, they have provided that the area that they have is clay soil. Okay, we are going to design a foundation for it. Anyone can address this problem?
In this society, first users are only villages and only available local areas and nations. The problem is that the water line is very and we need to satisfy the user by only low cost one and then low cost one. The construction should be done fast and it should have a long time.
Yes, the construction should be less. Time is less. Then cost is also low cost. Okay, availability of workers also low workers. Next, that's a soft clay soil. Okay, these are the problems we have. These are the main problems. Next one is no machineries. Machine tools are also less there. And these are the problems. We found out the problem. How we can define this problem? Yes, in waterlogging, if the waterlogging is more, what will happen? Settlement will be less. Okay, the foundation will be very stronger. So the settlement will be more. So this is the main problem here. Next one, how we can ideate this? What is the idea?
To construct a building, the foundation is very important. So the foundation has two types: deep foundation and shallow foundation. For the villages, we can choose shallow foundation. In villages, for the replacement of the clay soil, we can do soil improvement, and stone improvement, and also column improvement. And we can choose single footing.
Yes, isolated footing. Why? Because the building is a small building, small community building. So it requires only the isolated footing. Next one, what is the problem there? Waterlogging is the main problem. Next one is clay soil. These are the two main problems there. So we are going to use a soil improvement. Okay, we are going to remove some of the clay soil. We are going to replace the clay soil instead of the clay soil. We are going to replace with sand. Okay, if we replace that, the strength of the soil will be more. Soil improvement is there. Next one is we are going to give an isolated footing for them. Isolated footing is because the building is a small building, size of the building is small. Next one, what we are going to do? Why we have found a shallow foundation. Type of foundation we are going to give is shallow foundation. Why? The building is a small building. Okay. In shallow foundation, what is the depth to breadth ratio? It's less than or equal to 4.5. In this building, we have less than 4.5. Okay, we are going for the shallow foundation. Okay. Next, how we prototype? What kind of prototype is nothing but a model.
We are going to create a simple model of shallow foundation. But after creating a prototype, you have to test it. So testing is done by applying a load to the building.
Yes, applying some load, a small quantity of load. We're going to it's like 10 kilonewton or 2 kilonewtons we can apply in this shallow foundation. So that we are going to check whether the foundation is going to settle or not. Okay, by this we can give you a small design thinking solution for this problem. So, you can summarize this design thinking.
So the problem was only the villages are producing for they need the building very fast and low cost and with high efficiency. So we want only availability of low machineries and only local builders. As well as the problem was the area they provided was only clay soil that will be have more water absorption, more water putting into it. So to reduce that, we are doing the soil improvement, soil improvement and stone improvement with isolated footing.